Turning your engine 9J155. Turning good, but the front engines looks good, no damage. On these sides, engines look as well, as you can see. Altimeter looks good, in a good conditions. Socket looks nice. Starter look as well, as you can see, no damage. Gearbox look nice. And on this side, engines looks good, no damage, no broken. Compressor look as well. Engine's turbo looks good, no damage, all nice. And on the top, plastic cover looks good, no damage. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage, little scratches. And turning your engine 9J155.